Wow, you guys don't know how to do it. Okay.
He's 40 pounds now, Mom.
Enrique, you want mommy to do it for you? 1, 2, 3. Woo! See what I mean? So we are at Costco. We're doing some grocery shopping for a new house. And my mom actually brought us because I don't have AC in my car. So, too hot. Okay, you guys, we're just gonna run in. I don't have my card.
I saw that. Break it.
You got handcuffs?
I'll cuff you up, baby.
Oh. Oh my goodness.
Well, I didn't
You're making me nervous.
Well, no.
There you go. Okay.
Come on in.
Okay, don't act like you guys didn't hear him saying that he wants to handcuff me. Yeah. Yeah. The nerve, right? The nerve to be able to say that to me. I'll cuff you up, baby. What am I doing wrong? What am I doing different? Want to try one? Okay, go ahead and grab one.
Be around with you.
Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Enrique's gonna get a haircut. We're gonna cut his hair kind of short. It's too hot here where we live now. What do you say? Good manners, baby.
Good to start early.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you. What, baby? That's not for kids. That's for mommies. Can I just complain to you guys how thirsty I am? So thirsty. I need water. I don't think I drank any water today. I hate that. Okay, so far I got my greens. I have to buy extra vegetables now for the ducks because you guys, they eat so much lettuce. Like, I think it's because it's hot, so they're like craving it. Ooh, this looks good. Look at these. I'm just thirsty. I have to say, like,
18 pack for $13.99.
super budget.
Coconut water?
I've never tried it.
That's very good for you.
Is it good tasting?
No.
No.
I put it in my protein shakes.
In your protein shakes, huh? Okay, let me get over here in the corner and try it out.
$13.99 for 18 packs. It has 5 potassium. This whole thing is like 3 bananas in potassium.
Really?
But it does make you have to run, so I try to do like a half of the bottle.
It's good because I drink coconut milk. So,
Okay, so you know the
yeah, I'm familiar with it, and I love the way coconut smells.
Yeah, it's really good then. Sometimes they add sugar. This one doesn't have any added sugar. So 1% sugar. I don't know what that means.
Well, thank you.
No problem. Take your time.
I really like it, but I can't afford it. That's like. But I have really good news, you guys. I actually think I found a job. I don't want to like jinx myself, but yeah, I think it's gonna happen. We're waiting like on a background check. So y'all know how that goes. Ooh, I love those veggie burgers. Budget. It's $39.99 though, like what the hell? Okay, so Enrique went with my brother and Faith to the restroom. Yeah. I have cheese. I think I'm gonna go to Winco because I do have to budget. I'm just here for a few things. I don't even think I need anything here, to be honest. Like, do I?
Okay, let's go.
Come on, guys. Really?
What else?
Okay, beef. Yeah, I don't think that I need anything here. Should just go buy all my stuff at Winco. You know what I mean? Baked cutie cakes, orange juice. I have been like in the mood for orange juice. Ooh, they have pita bread. Let's go try it. Hi.
Hello.
Good. Hi.
It's something that cheese and garlic.
Cheese and garlic?
This one's gonna be hot.
Thank you. What? Oh my god. I'll be right back. Let me find my kids.
No, it's like around 1:30.
Okay. So, I lied. I'm not going back. I'm always raving how Costco has the best prices on vinegar. Like, how big this is. I'm gonna get one for my mom. Look at that. It's huge. Okay. No, what is that, baby?
Meat.
You like meat, huh?
Meat? No.
No. So you guys know that Enrique is a vegetarian, and he says he's a vegetarian. But lately at Grandma's house, he's been picking up some bad habits. So Mommy has to remind you why you're a vegetarian. Why are you a vegetarian?
So I'm not eating.
Why?
Because are animals.
Exactly. I had to remind him like, hey boy, this is why we do. Enrique, you can't do that. I don't think I should wear this dress anymore. Enrique just grabbed my foot. Okay, I demand some waters in here.
Which one?
How many do you want, Mama?
Which one?
Huh? I think we need like 3 or 4. So we're paying now. My mom doesn't want vinegar.
I thought you went back so you could get bread.
And I hope you guys know I'm playing, by the way.
What you finna do?
Grace is dancing. Anyways, okay, time to pay. Come on, focus on walking, okay? Stop eating that ice cream. We have to cross the street. Okay, you could walk a little bit faster. Okay, you guys, so my sandals are hurting me so much right now. Come on, Enrique.
I am.
Okay, so they're Calvin Klein sandals, so I don't get why they're so painful. But they have these little balls right here, like underneath. And my feet are just like, I swear you guys, I'm in so much pain. I'm walking here, walk on this side, Daddy. I'm walking like a freaking penguin. Like, I'm walking like I'm wearing high heels, and I'm not. My family's in the car. Me and Enrique over here taking our damn time, because that's what we do. They already packed up the car, you guys. We're gonna go to Winco now, but I gotta go change my shoes because these fucking hurt. Okay, so, oh my god, this is super cute. Okay, so I'm at Target right now, and I'm going to be, I'm looking for an outfit. So I'm like, I should just film a clothing haul. This looks like what I'm wearing right now. It's so cute. So if you haven't checked out that video, it's in the link below. So yeah, let's go shop and see what they have. This is so cute, you guys. But like, I feel like because it doesn't stretch, it wouldn't fit me. By the way, the kids are somewhere over there. I love having teenagers because, like, you know, they can watch each other. Yeah, I totally think this wouldn't fit me because of the hip area. Because like, I need clothes that stretch. Like, I can't be wearing clothes that don't stretch. Because Oz is a plus size woman. Oz is a thickety thick. Oh my god, this is so cute. You guys, look at the boobs. How cute that is. I like that. But we're gonna look in the, oh yeah, this is a plus size. All right, let's look. Little montage.
I don't trust a word you say. How you wanna click up after your mistakes? Look you in the face and it's just not the same.
This Target has like the crappiest plus size section. Like, all the clearance is mixed up with the plus size clothes. Like, I don't think there's enough plus size girls. Like, look, this is all like mixed up stuff, and this is clearance back here. And can I just tell you guys, I miss my Target. My Target's so clean. Like, how am I supposed to find an outfit in this thing? Okay, this is a sexy little dress. I don't know though, like, do I like this color, you guys? What do you guys think? I don't know, I don't like material like that.
I get it how I live it. I live it how I get it.
Wait, where's the ducks? Where's the ducks? My God, those ducks. You guys have to go outside. Like, no. No, come on.
I pull it with a lemon. Not cause she ain't living. It's just your eyes get acidic.
I thought you guys didn't get offered to get handcuffed today.
Daddy, no.